Samsung is bringing its flagship Galaxy S22 series up to speed with the latest software upgrade. The Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, and S22 Ultra are now receiving One UI 8 based on Android 16, and this is a big deal. This marks the fourth and final major OS update for the S22 lineup, fulfilling Samsung's promise to keep these devices future-ready. But that's not all. Later next year, a minor One UI 8.5 update will bring additional refinements. The update is rolling out in Europe first, with a hefty size of 3.18 gigabytes and firmware version S90B XXUGYII7. To grab it, simply go to Settings, then Software Update, and hit Download and Install. Samsung will expand availability worldwide in the coming days. One UI 8 brings a fresh, modern look. The interface is cleaner, more organized, and easier to navigate. Expect smoother animations, better layout consistency, and subtle refinements that make everyday use more enjoyable. Functionality gets a boost too. DeX now offers new display rotation options, while modes and routines come with extra actions and conditions for smarter automation. Secure Folder receives enhanced security, giving your private files an extra layer of protection. Several Samsung apps have been revamped. Alarm, Calendar, My Files, Quick Share, Reminder, and Samsung Internet all get intuitive updates. Tasks feel faster, sharing becomes simpler, and the overall user experience is more seamless than ever before. The S22 series launched with One UI 4 on Android 12, promising 4 major upgrades. With One UI 8, Samsung has delivered on that promise. And even after this final major update, Android 16-based One UI 8.5 will fine-tune the experience further, keeping these devices competitive for years to come. If you own a Galaxy S22, check for the update now and experience the future of Samsung software today.